Hello everyone, thank you and welcome to FHALenders.com. We're going to talk to you about getting approved for an FHA loan in the state of Arkansas. Now the FHA requirements are the same for every state, so I'll go through it with you right now. You're going to need to have a 2-year work history, but it is okay if you've recently changed jobs, and it is also okay if you have a gap in employment. We can make that work for you. You're going to need to document your income for the last 2 years, W-2s, tax returns, Social Security, or wherever your income comes from. You need to document it for the past 2 years. A 3.5% down payment if your credit scores are 580 or better. Even if your credit scores are below 580, it can still be done, but with a 10% down payment. Your debt to income ratio, the maximum you can go to with FHA is 56.9% back-end debt to income ratio. If your lender's not willing to go that high, we have someone who can help you. That means you can stretch your buying power. You can stretch it the most with FHA, even though there's private mortgage insurance or FHA mortgage insurance. You can still stretch your buying power with FHA. Now you can also get seller closing cost assistance. They can contribute up to 6% to your closing costs. If you're short on cash, you can get a gift from a down payment gift from a relative. That down payment gift can cover the down payment and also the closing costs if you'd like. But we do also list some down payment assistance programs on the website. We list a couple of them that are in the state of Arkansas. They're listed there on the website. And we have a lender that offers down payment assistance as part of their mortgage program. So that can be extremely helpful for you. Another great thing that you can do with FHA is when you're buying the house, you can get the FHA 203K rehab loan, which will allow you to buy the house and also borrow money to rehab the house. You can get the FHA one-time closed construction loan, which will allow you to buy a lot and then build your dream house all with one mortgage and only 3.5% down. You can get the FHA streamline refinance. If you already own a home that has an FHA loan on it, you can refinance it without getting an appraisal or having to provide income documentation. You can also get an FHA cash out refinance. With the cash out refinance, you can cash out up to 80% of the home's appraised value, but that means you must have plenty of equity in the house already. So if you need to get pre-approved, you want to ask some questions, if you have a recent bankruptcy, you have any other challenges, and you don't think you can qualify, or if you're trying to find a way to, then just visit us at FHALenders.com. Again, the link is down below in the first pinned comment and also the description. We will help you there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.